Hi, today I'm going to share two holidays and winter decor DIYs with you. Welcome to Creative DIY with Momdaz for all ideas with decor and DIY within budget. Holidays bring beautiful memories, and especially the year ending with the winters, you want to watch beautiful movies, and we always worship the hero. What about the people who make the hero the hero? And I was watching this lovely movie called Elf from 2003, and I felt like making something from there. And I made this beautiful elf sign out of it. I just watched the movie, checked the internet and looked for the codes of the elves from the movie and wrote them down. I made this whole thing on Canva. I found this image on Canva itself, elf legs, had them in a corner, chose by fonts and wrote the whole code, and it reads codes of the elves. Treat every day like Christmas. There is room for everyone on the nice list. The best way to spread Christmas cheer is to sing loud for all to hear. Made this, downloaded it as a PDF and printed it out on a regular paper, A4 size paper, because on A4 size paper I could cut it to 8 by 10 picture frame, and I just popped this paper into one of my picture frames that I already have at home. To jazz it up a little, I went with the elf theme again. I chose the colors green, yellow and red cardstock paper and just cut them out to make an elf hat. Today I am joining some wonderful DIYs from YouTube for the Christmas Classic series. They are Mama Can Make It, 6 Kids and a Glue Gun, Crafty Cove, the Rusted Willow, and the spotlight this month is on Arrows DIY. So I'll link all the channels down below in the description box along with the playlist with movies, holiday movie inspired DIYs. After the hat was done, I just glued onto a corner of my picture frame, and I have a cute elf sign for the Christmas holiday ready for decor. This is nice. The code makes us smile every time I cross this sign. My kids enjoyed it too. So it's nice, great way to decorate. I wanted to share something more for the winter holidays. Every holiday, if you can make a set of new cushions, they just add to the decor of your home. They're useful and as well as beautiful, and no number of cushions are too many. And I have lumber pillows. I made these lumber pillows, and they are something that my guests always like. Everybody loves to have a lumber pillow in the back while they sit. They are not just decorative, they are very useful items. And I have this insert made long time back. All I do is I just change the pillow cover. I make a pillow cover every now and then, and I can switch the decor in my home. I prefer to make envelope pillow covers. I have used two different fabrics here, one white cotton, another is Khadi. I have shared before tutorials for making envelope cushions. I shall link them in my description box as well. I made one Urban Outfitters inspired envelope cushion, and then I also made a recycled denim patchwork quilted envelope cushion, and they look fabulous and so easy to make. So I'll make sure to link them down in my description box. And this envelope cushion for my lumber pillow is also made by me. I used Khadi fabric. Now Khadi started as a sustainable way of living, self-reliance theme. It was started by Mahatma Gandhi, and then it just grew as a large cottage industry, and a lot of people get employment through it, and I can just blindly believe in Khadi. It will give me a natural fabric, a natural fiber fabric. So this is cotton, and the best thing, these are hand spun and hand woven. So the texture is beautiful, the feel is beautiful, they are durable, and are not just a fashion statement now, they're exported, they are great, just wonderful. I love them. So I took this beautiful khadi fabric and made my envelope cushions, and then I took this lace that I had with me. This has got pearls crocheted into a lace. So there's crochet, cotton crochet lace with pearls in it, and though it looks dull and boring here, I dyed it into indigo color and got this beautiful, gorgeous looking lace now, which I just hand stitch onto my cushions. Just hem it on, kind of stitch onto my cushion, and they looked so gorgeous. The other one I just added one horizontal strap fabric, and here is vertical grains fabric, and I've put in between, I put my lace, and it looks gorgeous, and they're so useful. Everybody loves it, and they make a great decor, a great update for home. I hope you liked my today's ideas. They're quick one for a decor for holiday, for winters, and do make sure to check out the playlist for movies related, Christmas movies related decor ideas. Thank you so much everybody. Have a great time.